Come on.
What's going on, everybody? So today is the weekend, Saturday, and today the waves are freaking tiny. So you can see here, we'll see if we get a couple little fun swells come through, but it's gonna be like 1 to 2 foot no matter what. But hey, better than not surfing.
This is going right. Got this one. There we go. Come on, come on. Let's go. It. That was cool. Rode it all the way into the sand though. Landed all hard in there. Got the hand a little messed up. Very fun, regardless.
Come on. Go, go, go. Yeah, go. Gotta battle all these little kids out here today. Oh, the peak's to your left a little. Go. 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 Yeah, you got it. Oh, that's me. You got caught in my leash. Slowed you down. All right, here we go. Let's get it. All right, another one. Backside action there. Oh my God, are you serious? Awful. All right, let's see what is under the water. Let's test out the float. It works. Might have to toss this in a wave and let it catch a wave and see what it looks like. We were too deep. Check it out, there's a seal out there. Oh, that bird just did a dive and caught a fish. Oh, there's another bird in the dive. Oh, they're following that seal because he's probably ripping fish apart. The other day we were out here, the seal caught a fish and he turned over and just ripped it in half in front of everybody and started eating it. It was pretty cool. So you got the little seal action. Damn! Too late! Alright, so you gotta check this out. See that cruise ship over there? That's a yacht. That is not a cruise ship. That thing is freaking huge. You may not be able to tell on camera, but that thing is massive. So there's a little boat. There's a giant yacht. Oh, go, 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 no! What? Oh. Oh. Here we go. Go, go, go.
Tiny little waves today, but they're fun.
Oh shoot, go. Damn.
Nobody got that one. So even on days like this where there's not much to catch, there's no big waves, but it's still so much fun just to get out here, chill on the water, and catch some waves. So if you're not surfing, you definitely need to start surfing. It's worth it.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? So we just got finished up. We had a actually pretty decent day, got quite a few waves. We took the catch surf 6'6" skipper and 2 8-foot Wavestorms out there today. Had a lot of fun. It was a blast. We caught quite a few little tiny waves, but they were rolling pretty well. So I hope you guys enjoyed the footage. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like the videos. And then also, if you're looking to make some extra cash out there, go to winwithryan.com, winwithryan.com, and we show you how to make money from home so you can live a surfer lifestyle forever.